Chime is one of those banking apps that everybody loves and knows, but did you know that they are giving out $100 100% free? And in today's video, I'm going to show you everything that you need to know about this and how you can actually make money with this app, because trust me, it actually impressed me when I first hopped on, and I've been making a lot of money with it. Let's go. Hey guys, Shiftery here. Welcome back to yet again another video, and today I'm going to go over exactly how you can obtain $100 from the Chime banking bonus. I'm so excited to go ahead and make this video because a lot of people ask me how I'm able to get free money on Chime. I'm going to show you how you can do it as well and some of the requirements. But if you are new to the channel, consider subscribing and liking the video. But anyways, let's go ahead and jump right into it. The Play Store is something that a lot of people use, but what if I told you there's a way to secure 100% free Google Play gift cards? The Play Store is something that a lot of people use on a daily basis, but a lot of things are set behind a paywall, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to get 100% free Google Play gift cards. You can use them on anything from music all the way up to in-game purchases. Let's go. Chime is one of those banking apps that everybody loves and knows, but did you know that they are giving out $100 100% free? And in today's video, I'm going to show you everything that you need to know about this and how you can actually make money with this app, because trust me, it actually impressed me when I first hopped on, and I've been making a lot of money with it. Let's go. The first thing that you will need is going to be the Chime app. You can download it in the Google Play or App Store. Have it on the App Store here, and you want to sign up for a brand new account with the link down in the description below. This will instantly activate the $100 referral bonus, but there are a few steps in order to go ahead and get it. Once you get on the app, it's actually really easy to secure this $100. All you're going to need is a qualifying $200 plus direct deposit, and it's really that simple. It does have to be within a 45-day period, but if you do have a job, it's actually really easy to get $200 in 45 days, and that $100 extra will be yours, and it's going to be directly deposited into your Chime account. Let me show you how it looks like. As you can see right here inside of my checking account, I do have a $100 referral bonus, and it was really that easy, and that just means that the person did complete the steps. If you do want to find your account number, simply go to get your paycheck 2 days early, and that's pretty much what it's going to be. If you want to find your account number, scroll down to where it does say get your paycheck early, click on here, and it's going to give you your account number just like this. So it's going to show up, or you can send the form to your employer, and it's really that easy in order to get the free $100. So if you are looking to promote Chime and get some extra cash for yourself instead of just receiving the $100, it's really easy, and this is a process that I have went through. Head up to the top right where it does say earn $100. Then you want to invite your friends or your social media following. So once they finish the process, you will get $100 directly deposited into your Chime bank account. As you can see, I have my mom, I have my dad, I have a bunch of different contacts that I can make money from simply by getting them to sign up. And the best part about these people is you can talk to them directly, walk them through the steps, and you will have money in no time. This is a good way to make money, but unfortunately they do cap it at 10 people. So if you have more than 10 people to invite, then you are kind of out of luck, but a free $1,000 does come in pretty clutch, and it's highly advised that you do check out Chime. And one thing I do want to go over is their credit builder. It is kind of hard to unlock it, especially if you are under 18, so keep that in mind, but that is something that I may go over in a future video on how to unlock it. But I want to show you some extra ways on how to make some quick and easy money, because you're honestly going to be surprised. So I talked about Chime previously on the channel, and you guys loved it, but I want to touch a little bit more upon Cash App, and you guys love this app as well. Simply download Cash App. You have to make a brand new account, and this method is going to allow you to get a free $5 when you send $5 to a friend or family member. There's going to be a code down in the description below that does allow you to get a free $5 when you send $5 to a friend or family member. It will ask you for a code when signing signing up, so keep that in mind, but don't worry, it is down in the description below. And just in case you forgot to put it in, head up to the top right, scroll all the way down to the bottom, and it's going to say enter referral code, and it does have to be a brand new account. And once you send $5 to a friend or family member, you will get $5 directly deposited inside of your Cash App balance. As you can see, I have done this quite a few times and have made a decent amount of money. Keep in mind that you do have to make a brand new account each time you want to do this method, and it has to be a brand new device, or else you will not get the sign up bonus. But this definitely comes in pretty clutch if you are looking to make some extra money, and it's pretty much a no-brainer to get the Cash App because they do have a bunch of different things with the Cash Card that you can save money on, such as Uber Eats, Lyft, DoorDash. You guys name it, it is going to be here. But don't worry, I am not done yet. I have more ways on how you can make money, especially if you are interested in sign up bonuses, because this is pretty much what this video is about, along with Chime. AttaPoll is a perfect app in order to make some quick and easy money, and this is one that I have been using for years now, and I do want to show you my results. When you sign up for AttaPoll, you want to make sure to type in the code dbfcm, and that code will give you a free 50 cents when signing up. And honestly, it's pretty much a no-brainer to type that code in. Take a look at my balance. I have already made $286, and I think I made over $1,000 just by taking online surveys in my free time. And trust me, I have a lot of it, so it just makes sense to turn my time into money. Well, I mean, that's actually pretty much like a job. What the heck? So I mean, obviously this is not a job, but this is going to give you some extra cash on the side. But taking a look at some of the methods that they do have here for cashing out, they do have gift cards, anything from Walmart, ASOS, Fanatics, Amazon, Home Depot, you guys name it, it is going to be here. But what I especially recommend, if you guys are interested in cash, you do want to cash out to PayPal. PayPal is one of those options that is always reliable. You can use it practically anywhere, or you can cash out to Revolut or Charity. And clicking on the first tab, you can take a look at some of the surveys. They are really easy to do, and a lot of people, especially my subscribers, have been taking these and have earned a decent amount of money simply by answering questions. Keep in mind to answer the questions very truthfully though, because you may actually get disqualified, and if that happens enough, you'll get kicked off the app, and trust me, it is no fun. But what is fun is our next money making method. Eureka is yet again another paid survey app, but I wouldn't recommend it if it truly didn't work, and I have already made $65 simply by taking surveys in the past week. Let's check it out. So once you guys hop on the app, head over to the section where it does say referrals, and you want to type in the code GUDW4I. That code will give you a free $1 survey when you sign up, and it's going to give you pretty much some free money. The only downside to this app is it does have a higher minimum of $5 compared to AttaPoll's $3, but you will be able to easily cash out. Another thing that I did notice is under the rewards, they have way more rewards compared to AttaPoll. So if you guys are looking for any of these gift cards here, such as Panera Bread, Starbucks, Home Depot, Lowe's, everything's pretty much here. Target, Best Buy, Google Play, it is all here for you to go ahead and check out. And some of their surveys are super easy, and at the very bottom, a very unique feature actually is going to be their games. So if you play games, you like them already, you can get paid to play them, which is kind of crazy. But another thing I do want to point out before I wrap up this video is when you cash out at the $5, you get a free $1.50 survey for you to tell them what you like about the app. And trust me, there's a lot that they could improve, so they'll pretty much practically give you $1.50 for giving them feedback. This app is super nice and generous, and this is why I've been using it for the past few weeks now. But anyways, that's pretty much it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed and were able to go ahead and secure yourself a Chime bonus. I know I was, but I'm hoping you guys can have success with it too. I'll see you guys next time.